This video shows you how to fit our Drawer and Shelf Express modules. These modules are in stock and ready to be dispatched. Drawers can be fitted on the left side. The following instructions will just need to be mirrored. The first step is to fit the shelf that sits at the top of the module. Start by placing cage nuts into the top 2 holes of each leg panel. Push them into the holes and turn them 90 degrees. Hold the shelf in position, aligned with the cage nuts, and fix the shelf into position by loosely placing all 8 washers and bolts into the cage nuts. Once all in place, work your way back around, tightly securing each one. You will also need to fit the brace bars. Attach a bracket plate behind the lip of each leg, screw in the top bolt and hook the bar onto the bolt. Then insert the bottom bolt and secure them both. Move on to fixing the runner brackets. Lace cage nuts at the front and rear of the right leg panel in holes 2, 7 and 13 from the top, starting underneath the shelf. Position the bracket against the leg panel and work your way around, adding the bolts into the cage nuts. Once all in place, work your way back around, tightly securing each one. The next step is to attach the divider. Fix the cage nuts in the 2 holes on the top and bottom edges of the divider. Insert the divider in line with the holes in the shelf and the mirrored holes in the brace bar. Add in the fixing plate above the holes in the top tray and screw in the bolts. Then screw the bolts in the mirrored holes on the bottom bar to fix the divider. Focusing on the right side of your divider, add cage nuts to the front and rear, starting from the top in the 1st, 6th and 12th holes of the divider. You can now attach the second runner bracket to the divider. Do this by following the same steps previously. Add the cage nuts and secure with bolts. Next, attach the infill bar. On both sides, loosely fit a washer and bolt, hook the bar onto the bolts, and then tighten to secure. Ensure the runners in the bracket are all the way forwards, otherwise the drawers will not fit properly. You can now insert the pre-assembled drawers onto the runners. To add the shelves, add cage nuts into the left leg panel and the divider. Then start with the bottom shelf first. Work your way around, fixing a washer and bolt into each cage nut. Follow this same process for any additional shelves.